G'day guys, just a quick update video on the Celica project, and this is where we're at right now. Just got it sanded back pretty much as far as I'm willing to sand the damn thing back. We've got a painter on the way, ready to put everything on. Same on the other side as well, same on the roof. Just using it as storage at the moment. We've got all the paint you could ever wanted to bloody find, and that was a bastard to find because I'm not using etch primer, I'm using epoxy primer, and you have to actually special order that stuff. There's no bloody car place in town will sell you bloody epoxy primer. No. Anyway, where we're up to with the boat, all the boot panels here, if you saw from the last video, were all buggered. They are now not buggered, they are now all repaired, ready to go back in. Let's go open up the thing, I'll show you what's inside. Inside we have absolutely nothing. Interior's been stripped out, seats are ready to be re-stitched. Those rear seats are coming out soon enough, but here we got pretty much nothing. The dash pad, that's all ready to be put back in, that's all repaired. I know it's not, can't really see it right now, but trust me, there's no dash pad there. It's been repaired, it's ready to go back in. Air conditioner here, that's all seized up. We're going to drop that out, we're going to rebuild that. Carpet, that's ready to come. I've got carpet on order, that's ready to go as well. And yeah, once the painter gets here, she's good to go. She's good to rock and roll. So that's where we're up to with the Celica at the moment, guys. And hopefully, in another couple of weeks, this entire thing will look brand spanking new. So I'll see you in the next upload, eh?